Hi Sarah.
Hello.
How are you enjoying your trip to Interlaken?
I'm enjoying it very much. It's like golden sun, but also rain. Very different.
Yes.
And I'm having a blast. And you've been lovely. But yes.
So much. Thank you. And it's been gorgeous having you here, and I can't think of anybody who would have been better for this shoot at this beautiful location other than you.
Mountains and me do have a slightly special.
Exactly. Your first film, Kedarnath, was also shot in the mountains,
It
and
was.
it was something different. It was not a typical Bollywood debut. What do you have to say about it? It was raw, intense, not the usual glam launch.
You know, if I can be honest with you, I think with most films it should be that way. But I think with Kedarnath specifically, I think it really chose me. I don't think it's the kind of film that I chose, and I think the connection that I have with that film, that place, just everything is just too special to explain.
Okay, so you have come from a family that has carved a legacy of its own in the film industry. Has it in any way shaped your approach to life?
I think it's taught me a sense of balance and the importance of a sense of balance. This world can really engulf you. And while you should enjoy that and honor your work, I think you should also be able to, enjoy the sun and enjoy the rain and, try to live in the moment. And I think that coming from this world, my family understands that.
Okay, lovely. And you've been brought up by a single mother. How has that changed your outlook towards life?
See, I wouldn't know because this is all I know. But I know that mom helps me keep things real, and I'm very just grateful for her. And I think that, she's my whole life.
That's so sweet. And that's something we have seen with you over here. The way you have taken pictures with her. I think it's a beautiful relationship.
Thank you.
So, coming from a family which has, a broken family, how has it shaped your outlook towards marriage and love and things like that?
Honestly, I don't use the word broken family, because it's just, I have two different homes, I just look at it like that. And I think that everybody has their own life and everybody has their own journey. And I wouldn't know any other way.
So your Insta page is like a visual treat of travel. Is there any one place that has changed you spiritually, emotionally?
Kedarnath.
So tell us more about that.
I just think that the person I was before Kedarnath and the person I am now, it's just, I feel like, I don't know how to explain it, but I wasn't an actor before. My affinity towards nature, a lot of my beliefs, learning, everything kind of changed after Kedarnath.
And what is on your bucket list? If I were to ask you, which is the one destination you want to go to and haven't been to yet?
I want to do the Everest Base Camp trek.
Oh, wow. And you think you're physically fit for it? Or you still have some?
I think a little bit of training maybe would be required, altitude training, but I actually do think I'd be able to do it. I've done treks before, overnight treks and things like that. Of course, base camp is different, but yeah, that would be next.
So you actually come across as very confident. Is it something that you've been like for since you were a kid, or is something that you have built up and developed?
I think I'm just real. I don't think about it as confident or not, but I think that when you're real, you start being proud of who you are. And according to me, that's confidence. Like, I just am who I am, and that's it.
So I already know the answer to this. If you had a choice between beaches and mountains.
Mountains.
I
Mountains.
knew that.
Only like sometimes then it starts like raining and you have to change the location of the interview, which is why we're suddenly here, by the way. I think you should know, why we're doing this.
How has been your trip to Interlaken?
Beautiful. I think that you've taken such good care of me. And these are my two favorite things, mountains and the camera. So I think being able to do them together has just been lovely.
So what is it that you love the most about Interlaken?
I think it's the fact that somebody in fact asked me also in a question today whether I like the lake more or the mountains. And I think that you don't have to choose. I think I love that here.
And how was your experience flying Swiss?
It was lovely. It was lovely. I've done it before. Uh, I missed Ranveer Singh and Rohit Shetty thoroughly on my flight, as I did in this hotel. So yes, it was lovely.
Lovely. And how has been your experience staying at the Victoria Jungfrau? I know it's your second time.
Yes, it is.
But how have you enjoyed it?
It's just lovely. It's beautiful. The mountains are stunning. The view's great. The avocado toast is delicious. So
Lovely.
it's great.
And of course, you're a foodie.
Yes, I am.
What is your favorite food
In life,
in life?
lasuni palak.
Okay. And what's your cheat meal?
Extra chitta makhan on the makki ki roti with my sarson ka saag.
That sounds very Punjabi.
You would know.
Yeah. And if you were to have a day when you're not shooting, what would be a day in the life of Sarah?
I don't know. I think hopefully like a trek somewhere in North India.
Okay. And if you were just at home, what would you binge watch?
I watched Adolescence recently and I would recommend it to anybody and everybody. It was just fantastic.
Tell me three things that you love about Global Spa.
Stunning locations, their importance, the importance that they give wellness. And I think that it makes just traveling and shooting all seem very wholesome.